That's good enough for second place so far. Michelle Alley of Whitewood up next. Michelle Alley of Whitewood. Michelle is currently 9th in the SDRA. Don Herman, is that the job you get when you're the president of the rodeo club?
I think I'd give it to someone else.
Yeah. I wouldn't run for president next year. Michelle Alley of Whitewood.
I heard he took that goat up to the dance too.
Wow. We're going to switch goats. Michelle Alley is 9th in the SDRA and 9.1 for Michelle. That moves her